Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our lower grille. To access this, it's going to be easiest from underneath the front of the vehicle. Underneath the front, you're going to find all the pins that look just like this. We're just going to carefully get in between this area. Essentially, you want to pull out the center aspect of this. That's going to unlock the push clip. And then once you have it out far enough, the whole thing should just pop right out. All right, so that's what it looks like. Once you pull out the center locking aspect, it releases these two ears, which makes it so it's unlocked, and you can go ahead and remove it. Let's go ahead and do the same all the way down the line here so we have access. Now that I've got all the outer portion done, we're going to continue on right here. You're going to find a push clip, another one here, over this way, and then all the way over on the other side as well. Let's go ahead and remove all the rest of those push clips so we can fully take this piece down. Okay, let's go ahead and grab this, get it right out of the way. We're going to just come in here with our little fork tool. I'm going to carefully get in between this area and separate the two. There we are. Now the next thing that you're going to want to do is use a hook tool right here, and we essentially need to get in between these areas where you can see the red tabs that come through the grill area. Generally all I'd want to do is just use my pick, come in like this, grab up along here, and then just gently pry this away. To be able to do this a little bit easier, I'm going to go ahead and take off the bumper cover so you can have a good look, but as you can tell, everything should be pretty easy and out in the open to just do it just like this. The area that I want to start is right down along the bottom. I'm just going to go ahead and use my fork tool. You can use a screwdriver or whatever you want to use. Essentially, I just want to try to get in between here, and then I just want to go ahead and pry. Carefully pry on that. Gently pull this up at the same time. We'll do the same to all of these along the bottom. And then we can start doing the top row. These top ones are the hardest. There we go. Now that it's starting to break free, I should have a little bit easier of a time. I'll just gently lift at the same time as doing all this. Set it aside. All right, let's go ahead and get our lower grill into the bumper cover. For this, I just want to go ahead and line up all the areas where my tabs are supposed to line up with the holes. Now, once we have all of them started in, we're just going to gently press it in. Listen for a click. Just double check them all. Make sure they're completely secure. Now from under here, we can go ahead and reconnect in our air temp sensor. Just go ahead and press this right in. Make sure it's facing up towards where the grill area is here. Now it's time to install the lower splash shield here. You want to, of course, make sure that the mounting points of the splash shield line up with the corresponding holes on the bumper cover. For that also, you want to make sure that this is up and over the top, so the bumper cover is underneath the bottom essentially. Slide this right in. Okay. Now I'm going to line up all of my mounting holes here. Now we can start putting in our push clips. Start with the outer portion, and just go ahead and lock it in with the center. Do the same on the other side of the vehicle. Let's do these centers.